In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your Sony Dream Machine if it's not working, covering power, clock, and radio issues. First, check the power source. Make sure the Dream Machine is plugged into a working outlet. Try a different outlet if needed. Check the power cord for damage and replace it if necessary. If the device won't turn on, try unplugging it for 1 minute, then plug it back in to reset. For clock problems, make sure the time is set correctly. If the clock resets after power loss, the backup battery may be dead. Replace the backup battery to keep the time even when unplugged. If the radio isn't working or won't tune, check the antenna connection or try moving the Dream Machine to a different location with better reception. Resetting the device can also clear glitches affecting the radio. If buttons aren't responding or the device is frozen, unplug it and plug it back in after a minute to reset. If the device still doesn't work after these steps, try a factory reset if available. Look for a reset button and hold it for about 10 seconds. Remember, this will erase saved settings like alarms. If problems persist, contact Sony support or consider professional repair. Following these steps should help get your Sony Dream Machine working properly again. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel.